Good morning, children. Today, let us revise the topic decimal number. Decimal number is often used to mean a number that uses a decimal point followed by digits that show a value smaller than 1. Okay, decimal number is used to mean a number that uses a decimal point followed by digits that show a value smaller than 1. The decimal point is the most important part of a decimal number. The decimal point. A decimal number has a decimal point which is the most important part of a decimal number. Okay, let me explain this. Here in this example, 45.6. This is the decimal point. Read as 0.6. 45.6, which is a decimal number. The decimal point, this decimal point is the most important part of a decimal number. In this example, we read this as 34.7. The decimal point goes between ones and tens. This is the decimal point. This is in between the places ones and tens. Okay. A decimal number has two parts. This is the whole number part and this is the decimal part. Whole number part. This is the whole number part and this is the decimal part. The number after the decimal point is the decimal part. Decimal point കഴിഞ്ഞ് വരുന്നതാണ് decimal part. That is on the right side of the decimal. Okay, on the left side of the decimal, which is whole number part. Whole number part. Okay. Children, here, this is the decimal point. On the left side of the decimal point, the places are ones, tens, 100, 1000, so on. The places has the greatest values. Okay, but on the right side, the first place is tens. TENTHS. The first place after the decimal point is tens. The second place is hundreds. HUNDREDTHS. Hundreds. The third place is thousand. THOUSANDTHS. Thousands. The right of the decimal. The value decreases. The value of the digit in tens place, hundreds place and thousands place are less than 1. Are less than 1. But on the left of the decimal, the value increases. The values are more than 1. More than 1. In between ones and tens, there is a point which is the decimal point. The decimal point is the most important part of a decimal number. Okay. In between ones and tens, this point is the decimal point. The left of the decimal, left side of the decimal, the places are ones, tens, 100, 1000, so on. On the right of the decimal, the places are tens. First place after the decimal is tens. TENTHS. Second place is hundreds. HUNDREDS. DTHS. Okay. The third place is thousandth. THOUSANDTHS. Okay. Children, these are few examples for decimal numbers. Decimal places are the figures after the decimal point. Here, these two digits are decimal places. So, it has two decimal places. Two decimal places. 4 and 7. Okay. In this number has three decimal places. That is 4, 5 and 5. In third number also, the number has three decimal places, 2, 5, 4. Here, the fourth number has only one decimal place, which is 5. Okay. Decimal places are the figures after the decimal point. Here, this is the decimal point. After this decimal point, there are two digits. These are the decimal places. Here, this number has two decimal places. In this example, the number has three decimal places. Here also, this number has three decimal places. Here, this number has only one decimal place. One decimal place. Okay. Let us check one more example. Here, in this number, the number is 3528.74. 3528.74. Okay. The places are 8, ones, 2, tens, 5, hundreds, 3, thousands. That is on the left side of the decimal. This is the decimal point. Okay. And on the right side of the decimal, the places are tens, hundreds, thousands, etc. Here in this example, the digit in the tens place is 7 and the digit in the hundredth place is 4. Okay. So children, the given example is a decimal number. The places on the left side of the decimal are ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. On the right side, the digit after the decimal. First place after the decimal is tens. Then second place is hundreds and third place is thousandth. Okay. Children, let us do few questions here. Our first number is 7.7.1. This number has only one digit in the decimal place. One digit. Now, we can write this in the given place value chart. 7 is in ones place and 1 is in tens place. Okay, read this as 7.1. 7 0.1. Okay. Next is 8.67. 8.67. This is the decimal point. This place is ones, and after the decimal the first place is tens and second place is hundreds. Now write this in the place value chart. 8 ones, 6 tens, 7 hundreds. Okay, read it as 8 point 6 8.67. Okay, read it as 8.67. Don't read this number as 67. Read this as 67. Okay, this point is very important. 8.67. Now our next number is first check the place values. Tens, sorry children, ones, tens. Okay, 7 is in ones place. This is a decimal point. 7 is in ones place and 9 is in tens place. So write here 7, 9. Now write the digits on the right side of the decimal. First place is tens. 1 tens, 5 hundreds. Read it as 97 point 1 5. 97.15. Okay. Our next number is 173.256. Okay, 173.256. First check the places. On the left side of the decimal, 3 in ones place, 7 in tens place, 7 in tens place and 1 in hundreds place. Okay. Now check the digits on the right side of the decimal. This is the decimal point. First place tens, second place hundreds, third place thousands. Okay, read it as 173.256. 100 73 173, that is these digits, then the decimal point, point 256. 173.256. Okay. Next number 24 7 5 1 minute 2 4 7 5 0.198. Okay, this is the decimal point. First check the places on the left side of the decimal point. 5 in ones place, 7 tens place, 4 hundreds place and 2 in thousands place. Okay. Now check the digits on the right side. 1 tens place, 9 hundreds place and thousands, 8 in thousands place. Okay. How will we read this? 2000, 2000, 400, 400, 75, 75. That is the digits on the left side of the decimal. Now this is the decimal point, so write point. The next digits are 1, 9, 198. Okay. Read it as 2475.198. Children, today you learn about the decimal number. It is often used to mean a number that uses a decimal point followed by digits that show a value smaller than 1. That is, the digits after the decimal point has a value smaller than 1. Okay. These are examples for decimal number. Read it as 45.6, 34.7. The decimal point goes between the ones and tens. The decimal point is the most important part of a decimal number. Okay. This is the decimal point. On the left side, the places are ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, so on. And on the right side, the places are tens, 100, thousands, 10,000, so on. Okay. Children, listen this video carefully and do the given work without any mistakes. Hope you all understood this. Thank you, children.